Well, it looks like it is not Chacha that courts controversy, rather it's controversy that courts Chacha. And we'll be keeping tabs on that story. The Judicial Service Commission, in the meantime, Wednesday commenced interviews for the 20 new High Court judges following the shortlisting of 100 candidates. The panel, led by Chief Justice Martha Koome, interviewed 6 candidates, among them Akonga Amimo, Njoroge Agnes Wairimu, Alfred Gethi Kibiru, Alex Ithuku Kimanzi, Alexander Muasya Muteti, and Alice Chepng'etich Bett. They were tested on how well they were versed with the Constitution and its interpretation, the rule of law, and how the role of a judge has changed as opposed to a traditional judge back in the day. The interviews are scheduled to conclude on the 30th of this month.
But now, as a judge, how do you think you would like or you intend to present your rulings of judgments? How do you structure your judgment, for instance?
Okay, first of all, I would start by setting out the issues that have been laid out in the various pleadings. For instance, for example, I'll start, with the plaintiff's case, then the defendant's case. I'll be able to bring out the factual issues and what exactly is the cause of action. Then upon doing that, my lord, I will be able to analyze, of course, the facts in tandem with what the law provides.
Regarding corruption in the institution, judiciary is seen to be a weak link in the fight against corruption. What is your view on that?
As much I will say there is room for improvement, I know for a fact that the judiciary has really evolved from what it was before, and we as advocates actually feel the effects. The levels of corruption have drastically reduced, and I believe it's a work in progress. Yes.
Is this guy still involved in this? None at all. I do not drink, for the record. 1 year down the line. And even when I used to drink, I was never adjudged an alcoholic. I continued discharging my duty. And then, the holier-than-thou attitude that you find in the tenor and language in that letter surprises me. Mr. Abiy himself takes alcohol. It's a matter of public.
Thank you. Judge, I was lucky to have served for 2 years as Deputy Registrar in charge of Criminal Division, where I was now the link between judges and courts. One of the challenges we have to date is delay in terms of appeals. And most of the time when we sit, whether it's LMT, CUC, or Bett, the question that comes out, or what is usually pointed out, is non-typing or transmission of those files to the High Court.